Um, for me, it's kind of a difficult question because 10 years ago, I had the older Mr. Bozenhardt whispering in my ear, telling me in 10 years, you're going to want to know this as you progress in your career, you're going to want to keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. I know it doesn't seem like this is a good idea now, or you really should do this. So I've always had that really strong, he's both a father and also a great mentor in the business. So it's a little hard for me to think about, oh man, what would I wish I had known? Because I had somebody whisper in my ear all the whole time.
Maybe that you should have listened to him.
Well, I guess to a large extent I did listen to him. That's why we're still working together on articles and podcasts, and we haven't killed each other.
Yeah.
Because that happens too with father-son teams. Is they call it quits pretty quick if they don't see eye to eye. I guess the biggest takeaways I always have is just always think long term, and the biggest one for young professionals, emerging professionals, is to keep in mind that you are in control of your own career. As much as we want to see organizations come up with a development plan for us. How are we going to advance? What are we going to do next? There's only one person who has your best interests in mind and is going to drive it. And that's you.
Amen.
So that's probably the biggest lesson that I got out of all that, the whispering in my ear.